Today, we're learning restaurant English. From the moment you walk inside, how to ask for a table, how to read the menu, how to order your food, how to talk to the waiter, and how to pay the bill at the end. Everything, step by step, real phrases, easy words. The kind of English people actually use. By the end of this video, you will feel confident in any restaurant, in any country, in any situation. You walk into a restaurant. The waiter comes over and looks at you. He says, "Hi, are you ready to order?" And your brain just freezes. You know what you want, you can see it on the menu, but the words? Gone. Yeah, we've all been there. So today, we are going to fix that. Section 1. Arriving at the restaurant. Okay, so you just walked in. You were standing at the door. A host or waiter comes to you. They smile and say, "Hi there, do you have a reservation?" A reservation means you called before and booked a table. If you have a reservation, say, "Yes, I have a reservation. It's under the name Sarah." If you don't have a reservation, say, "No, we don't have a reservation, but do you have a table available?" Simple, easy, no stress. Now they might also ask, "How many people is it for tonight? Table for two, just one person, or more?" Your replies, "Just me, only one person. There are two of us, you and one friend. There are four of us, a group." Very easy, right? Now, one more useful question. Maybe the restaurant is busy. Maybe you have to wait. So ask, "How long is the wait?" If the wait is too long, it is totally okay to say, "That's okay, we will try somewhere else. Thank you," and just leave, no problem. But if the wait is fine, the waiter will say, "Right this way, please." That means, "Follow me, I will show you your table." Just say, "Thank you," and follow them. You are now inside. You have a table. Well done! Section 2. Looking at the menu. Okay, so now you are sitting down. You have your table. The waiter brings you the menu. The menu is the list of all the food and drinks. Now the waiter might say, "Can I get you something to drink first? Would you like to start with drinks?" These are easy replies. "Just water, please." "I'll have an orange juice, please." "Can I get a Coke, please?" "Just water for now, thank you." Very simple, very natural. Now you open the menu. Maybe everything looks good. Maybe you are not sure what to order. That is totally fine. You can ask the waiter, "What do you recommend?" This means, "What is good here? What do you like?" Waiters love this question. They will help you choose. You can also ask, "What is popular here? What is your best dish?" These are great questions. Now maybe you see something on the menu, but you don't understand it. Just ask, "Excuse me, what is this? What is in this dish? What does this come with?" That last one is very useful. What does this come with? It means, what other food comes with this? Does it come with rice, with bread, with salad? Now maybe you have an allergy. An allergy means some food makes you sick. So you can ask, "Does this have nuts in it? Is there dairy in this? Does this have gluten? I'm allergic to shellfish. Can you make it without onions?" The waiter will always help you. Just ask. Don't be shy. One more question. Maybe the food looks a little spicy. Ask, "Is this spicy? Is this very hot?" And if you want something not spicy, "Can I have it mild, please?" Mild means not spicy, light flavor. Okay, so now you have your drinks coming. You know what is in the food. You asked your questions. Now you are ready to order. Okay, next, Section 3. Ordering your food. Okay, this is the big moment. The waiter comes back to your table. He takes out his pen and notepad. He looks at you and says, "Are you ready to order? What can I get for you? What would you like today?" Take a breath. You are ready. Here are 3 ways to order, from simple to very natural. Level 1. Very simple. The pasta, please. The chicken burger, please. The soup, please. Just say the name, add please, done. Level 2. More natural. I'll have the pasta, please. I'll have the chicken burger. I'll take the soup, please. I'll have. Use this every time. It sounds confident. It sounds natural. Level 3. Full and very natural. Could I get the pasta with tomato sauce? And can I have that without mushrooms? Could I get the chicken burger with extra cheese? And can I have fries instead of salad? See how easy that is? You just say what you want, and you say what you don't want. Now, the waiter might ask you some questions. For example, if you order a steak, they will ask, "How would you like your steak?" This means, how cooked do you want it? Here are your choices. Well done, fully cooked, no pink inside. Medium, a little pink in the middle. Medium rare, more pink, very soft. Rare, mostly pink, very juicy. Not sure? Just say medium, please. It is the most popular choice. Most people like it. The waiter might also ask, "Would you like soup or salad with that?" Just pick one. Soup, please. Salad, please. What kind of soup is it today? Easy conversation, no stress. Now, if you are with friends, the waiter will ask everyone. When it is your turn, just say your order clearly. "I'll have the grilled chicken, please." Done. Perfect. One more thing. Maybe you are still not ready. Maybe you need 1 more minute. Just say, "Sorry, can I have 1 more minute? We are not ready yet, thank you." The waiter will smile and come back. No rush, no problem. But when you are ready, speak clearly, speak slowly, and always say please. That is all you need. Your order is done. Now you sit back, you relax, your food is coming. Section 4. During the meal. Okay, so you placed your order. Now you are waiting for your food. Maybe 5 minutes pass, maybe 10 minutes. And then the waiter comes to your table. He is carrying your food. He puts it down in front of you, and he says, "Here you go. Enjoy your meal. Hope you like it." Just smile and say, "Thank you so much." Thank you. Simple, perfect, very natural. Now you start eating. Everything smells amazing. A few minutes later, the waiter comes back to check on you. He might say, "Is everything okay here? How is everything tasting? Are you enjoying your meal?" If the food is great, and I hope it is, say, "Yes, everything is great, thank you. It's delicious, thank you. Really good, thanks for asking. Amazing, we are really enjoying it." The waiter will be very happy to hear that. Now, what if something is wrong? What if the food is cold? What if it is too salty? What if they brought the wrong dish? This is where many people go quiet. They don't say anything. They just eat the wrong food, or they eat cold food. But you don't have to do that. Just be calm, be polite, and say something. For example, wrong dish. "Excuse me, I think there is a mistake. I ordered the salmon, not the chicken. I think this is not my order." Cold food. "Sorry to bother you, but my food is a little cold. Could you warm it up, please?" Too salty, or not good. "Excuse me, I think this is a little too salty. Is it possible to get another one?" Missing something. "Excuse me, I ordered fries with this, but they are not here. Could you check, please?" You are not being rude. You are not being difficult. You are just talking. You are just communicating, and that is completely okay. Now, maybe during the meal, you need something extra, like ketchup, or more bread, or a napkin. Just say, Excuse me, could I get some ketchup? Could we get some more bread, please? Could I have another napkin, please? Could I get some more water, please? Always start with excuse me. It is polite, it gets attention, and always end with please or thank you. People will always be happy to help you. Now sit back, enjoy your food. You are doing great. Section 5. Asking for the bill and leaving. Okay, you finished your meal. Now it is time to pay and leave. First, get the waiter's attention. Give a small wave and say, "Excuse me." Now ask for the bill. British English, "Could we have the bill, please?" American English, "Can we get the check, please?" Both are correct. Use whichever you like. The waiter brings the bill. Check it carefully. If something is wrong, say, "Excuse me, I think there is a mistake." Now time to pay. The waiter might ask, "Cash or card?" Just say, "Cash, please." "Card, please." Eating with friends? Say, "Can we split the bill, please?" Everyone pays their own part. Easy. After paying, say something nice before you leave. "Thank you so much. The food was delicious. We had a great time." And walk out with confidence, because you did it. From walking in to paying the bill, all in English. Well done. So that was Restaurant English. Let's do a quick recap. Section 1. Arriving. Do you have a table available? There are 3 of us. Section 2. The menu. What do you recommend? Is this spicy? Section 3. Ordering. I'll have the pasta, please. Could I get that without onions? Section 4. During the meal. Everything is delicious, thank you. Excuse me, I think there is a mistake. Section 5. The bill. Could we have the bill, please? Can we split the bill? These are the phrases you need. Simple, natural, easy. Now here's your challenge. Go to the comments below. Write one sentence from today's video. Pretend you are at a restaurant. I read every single comment and I will reply to yours. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It helps this channel grow. And subscribe for more videos like this. New video every week. See you in the next one.